Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and today I'm going to show you guys how to connect to the Black Shark game controller to your Redmi Note 8 Pro. This tutorial will also work with Xiaomi devices that support Black Shark game controller. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Unlike Black Shark smartphone, Redmi Note 8 Pro does not come with the Black Shark game controller app. You will need to download it separately. I will leave the link in the description below, or you can find it in the video. Connecting it to your Redmi Note 8 Pro is straightforward. Turn on your Black Shark game controller and connect it to your Redmi Note 8 Pro through Bluetooth. Connecting it alone will not do anything yet. You will need to open the game controller app to update the controller's firmware. After the firmware update, you can open your game of choice and map the controls. To map the controls, you will need to press the function button that also acts as Bluetooth indication. You will see the game controller interface. Press the settings icon at the right and you will be able to map your controls to your liking. Remember to press save at the top right. That is all that you need to do to connect Black Shark game controller to Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now, you can shine in PUBG and other games that you are playing. Remember to stay tuned for the review of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.